Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 27th of February, 2024. The Indian benchmark indices erased most of their recent losses to end higher on February 27th, with Nifty around 22,200 amid buying seen in the auto, capital goods, IT and realty names. At close, the Sensex was up 305.09 points, or 0.42% at 73,095.22, and the Nifty was up 76.30 points, or 0.34% at 22,198.30. Top gainers on the Nifty included Tata Motors, TCS, IndusInd Bank, Power Grid Corp and Sun Pharma, while losers were Hero MotoCorp, Bajaj Finance, SBI, Divi's Labs and UPL. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Whirlpool has no plans to exit the Indian market, but its recent stake sale in the India unit was due to high valuations and disparity against the global parent, CEO Mark Bitzer has said. The reassurance didn't seem to have done much as Whirlpool India shares fell 5%, to sink to a 52-week low of 1,186 rupees on February 27th. The stock of the consumer durables company has crashed 9% this year, against a 0.9% rise in the benchmark Sensex. Last week, Whirlpool Corp, through its wholly owned subsidiary, Whirlpool Mauritius, sold a 24% stake in the India arm, reducing its holding to 51%. SBI Mutual Fund emerged as the largest buyer, picking up a 7.2% stake, reports said. Shares of HAVELLS India Limited gained 4% to hit a 52-week high of 1,482 rupees in the morning trade on February 27 after Goldman Sachs upgraded the rating for the wires and cables manufacturer to a buy from neutral. The global brokerage also increased the price target to 1,660 rupees from 1,540 rupees, an upside of 17% from the previous session's close. The brokerage views HAVELLS' cost control initiatives positively, including the strategic move to shift outsourcing to its manufacturing facilities. The company's continued investments in brands and human resources, even during a downturn, are seen as favorable. The share price of HFCL gained more than 1% to scale a 52-week high in early trade on February 27, after the company received purchase orders aggregating to 40.36 rupees crore for supply of optical fiber cables to one of the leading private telecom operators of the country. The share price touched a 52-week high of 117.70 rupees. And quoted 116.30 rupees, up 1.50 rupees, or 1.31%, on the BSE at 9:36 a.m. The company will supply of various types of optical fiber cables as per customer specifications, and the order is to be executed by June 2024. Last week, the company's board of directors approved the strategic expansion into Europe with the setting up of an optical fiber cable manufacturing facility in Poland. Vodafone Idea shares fell 5% on February 27 ahead of the Aditya Birla Group company's board meeting to discuss a proposal for a large fundraise. The board of directors will meet on February 27 to consider all proposals for raising funds in one or more tranches by way of a rights issue or further public offer or private placement of shares, including preferential allotment, qualified institution placement, or through any other permissible mode, the cash-strapped company said. Umang Dairies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 98 points with a change of 19.95%, and is trading with a net volume of around 2.762 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 84.78, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.17. Vaswani Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 45.90 points with a change of 17.54% and is trading with a net volume of around 1.692 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 40.90, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 69.08. Aksha Chemistry, India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 357.15 points with a change of 16.95% 5% and is trading with a net volume of around 834.743 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 303.18, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.76. For the stock recommendation we have, REITs Limited looks good and can be bought at 795 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 774 rupees and a target of 820 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.